All right. Hi, seventh graders. It's Missy, Miss Cruz again, and
Miss Castorena.
so you just saw before we did the temperature of the baking soda and vinegar. Now we are investigating our second ingredient that could be a good possibility for your flameless heater design. So you're going to want to get the data table that is marked with group B. Looks like this. It should say for the vinegar, dipped steel wool, and air.
We're taking the steel wool and our 50 mils of vinegar, and we are going to, these are going to be, this is going to be soaked in this because the steel wool has an oil on it, and the vinegar will pull that oil off.
Okay, so same amount of vinegar in each cup. And again, we have low. Oh, hold on. I forgot. We are supposed to be wearing gloves. Just like we forgot safety goggles. And
Safety
it's very
first,
important.
everyone. Safety first.
So, why do you think that we need to be wearing gloves when we handle the steel wool?
I don't know. Why should we wear gloves?
I don't know. It's kind of spiky on my hand, and I did not like that.
Because it creates a reaction. So one of the things too is that with these reactions, the waste that we get afterwards, we have to put in bags that we label as waste with what is in there. That way it can be disposed of properly so we can take care of this beautiful planet that we live on.
Yes. Always want to make sure you're disposing of things correctly. Make sure we have the proper safety attire. Hence the spoons for which we will be pulling out the wool and placing on the paper towel as we get it ready for our measurements.
Absolutely.
Okay.
So glad you remembered.
Me too. All right. You let me know when we're ready, and I think we're gonna go for it.
Yeah. So again, we've got low, medium, and high amounts of this, but we have the same amount of vinegar.
Correct. So we're gonna put it in here now. We're going to get our first initial reading with it in here.
This one's really hard to get the. Make sure we're on Celsius. Make sure our lids are on really tight.
Okay. So as it's soaking, I broke the cup. We're going to get our first measurement at
30 seconds.
Yeah, at 30 seconds. It seems a little strange to start it then. We're going to have to take it out, but sure, let's go ahead and do that.
Yep.
So I'm going to go ahead and start the timer. Again, you're starting our first measurement at 0.5. I'm going to go ahead and start the timer. Reset it, and here we go.
22.7.
So 22.7, that could be our zero. Why don't we do 22.7
for the zero?
And we got about 20 seconds until we take our first measurement. I'm going to move this aside.
Oh, do we need to swirl these? I think we have to be swirling.
I didn't say anything about swirling, but why not? Let's help it out. Okay. Ooh, do I feel anything? Do I hear anything? I don't hear anything. Oh, we are 3 seconds away from our first measurement. And here we go. The low is at 22.8 centimeters.
Medium is at 22.7 and high is at 22.8.
Okay, so what we need to do next is we open the lid. I don't know if we're going to be fast enough for this, so we're going to try our best. We might have to miss a measurement because we are human.
What?
And so
Since when?
We take out our steel wool and we put it on our paper towel. And it says, use your gloved hand to place the piece of steel wool around the tip of the thermometer and place it inside the cup. Place the lid firmly on the cup.
Oh, so we want to make sure that we're getting the temperature of the steel wool.
Okay. I don't know if we'll have enough for both, but I'll tell you the readings for these two. For 1.5 minutes, the low is 22.5 degrees Celsius. The medium is 22.5 degrees Celsius.
Doesn't smell very great.
No, it does not smell good at all.
The high is at 22.6.
Okay. Timing should start as soon as the lid is placed. Record the temperature reading every half minute. I think that's it.
I think that's it, you guys. I think we're just doing the same thing we did last time.
I didn't seem to shake it, but like, why is the temperature not going up? Oh, 2-minute reading. We're a little bit behind. 2.0, 22.8 for the low.
22.8 22.9 for the medium and 22.9 for the high.
All right, brace yourself. We're 15 seconds away from 2.5.
It's going fast.
Oh, something, I think it's changing a little bit.
Oh yeah, it feels a little slightly.
Yeah. Okay, here we go. We're 7 seconds away from our 2.5, our 2.5 minute measurement. Sure, we'll get it going. Okay, so ready? Here we go. The low is 22.9 degrees Celsius.
The medium is 23, just changed. And the high is 23.1.
It's exciting to see something happen after
There's
the baking
change.
soda.
There's
That didn't really go up.
Is there any noise?
No.
Not really.
No noise. But we're about 10 seconds away from our next reading. It's going to be at 3.0 because we're at 3 minutes. Ooh, mine just went up again. Oh, here we go. So here's our 3-minute reading. The low is 23.1.
The medium is 23.1. And the high is 23.3.
Did you already talk about the lid and why it needed to be tight?
I did not.
So we noticed when we did our baking soda that we made a mistake and we did not close the lids tightly.
Can you believe we're human?
Yeah. So unfortunately, what do you think happened to our data since we didn't close the lids like we were supposed to?
Wasn't completely accurate because that air was able to get into the cup.
Oh, here we go. At 3.5. The low is 3.1. Ooh.
23.1 and 23.4 for the high.
Come on, you can do it.
You
do
can
something.
do it. That's why we have to keep mixing it because
yeah, I think we need to help it along.
Yeah.
Mine is not changing. Miss Castorena has all the fun. So now we're about 6 seconds away from our 4-minute reading. Okay, here we go. So 4.0, we're at still 23.1 for the low.
Medium is 23.2 and high is 23.5.
We're getting some change. All right, so we only have 2 measurements left. Let's see what happens. So now I think what it was originally saying in the instructions, now that we've done them, is we were supposed to start the low off first and give these time to do some reactions. Maybe, but that feels like cheating.
That feels like cheating.
That does feel like cheating. So I don't know. Sometimes things are hard to understand even for adults.
Yeah.
Oh, here we go. 4.5. Ooh, 23.2. It went up.
Ooh, medium 23.4 and the high is 23.8.
Is it feeling any warmer? I can't really tell with my gloves.
I know, it's kind of hard to tell. I think the high is feeling a little bit warmer.
Let me see. Oh, let's do this. Ooh, it is a little bit. Mine, not so much. So we're about 7 seconds away from doing our very last reading. So we're going to be at 5 minutes, 5.0. So make sure you're ready on that row.
Ooh, the excitement.
So here we go. My last reading is, ooh, it just went 23.3 for the low.
Medium is 23.5 and the high is 24.
Okay, now we're going to go dispose of this properly. You make sure you have those written down. If you need to rewind the video, go ahead. Oh, we're doing it right now?
I think so. Let's show them.
All right.
Because it's important, right?
It is important. So this is going to go to the hazardous waste site. The Science Resource Center is going to come and, do we have to do the vinegar?
I think so. You can do it all because it's.
Oh, had a reaction.
Yeah.
Okay, so we're going to open these. Make sure we dispose properly. Washington State cares a lot about putting things where they're supposed to go.
Washington State is great about caring about the environment. Ooh, it smells like
it's horrible.
Not
it's
great.
Absolutely horrible.
I don't even know what that smell is. I don't know how to describe
it. Glad we weren't doing this all as a whole bunch of us.
Good.
All right, and that is going to get double bagged.
Yay.
With the proper procedures, and that's going to get picked up.
All right.
All right.
See you in a minute.